Alarm area is a unit that divides the warning range of automatic fire alarm system according to fire zone of law. An alarm area includes a plurality of detection areas. The purpose of dividing the alarm area is to determine the location of the alarm and fire. At the same time, it is convenient to solve the problem of fire control system linkage design. The alarm area should be divided according to the fire zone of law. You can also divide several adjacent fire zones of laws that need to be simultaneously linked with firefighting equipment into an alarm area in case of fire. One fire display panel has been set up in each alarm area. When an alarm area consists of more than one floor, a fire display panel should be installed on each floor showing the area display of the floor only, to display fire information in the fire zone of the floor. Facilitate identification and management. An alarm area of a cable tunnel shall consist of a closed length interval. An alarm area shall not exceed 3 contiguous closed length intervals. The alarm area of road tunnel should be determined according to the linkage of smoke exhaust system or fire extinguishing system. It should not exceed 150 meters. The alarm area of the Class A, B, and C liquid storage tank area shall consist of one storage tank area. Each external floating roof tank of 1 meter or more shall be separately divided into an alarm area. The alarm area of the train should be divided by carriage. Each carriage shall be divided into an alarm area. 3w.ve.rdsecurity.com